Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can contact the customer service in the Vanced Tube application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the email us button at the about section. And as you can see, it will transfer you to an email site where you can write an email to them and ask any problem that you have. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.